Creating engaging video content is an art form. It's far more than just hitting record. With over 14 billion videos on YouTube, capturing your audience's attention is more challenging than ever. Did you know that people retain 95% of what they watch in videos? This makes content even more crucial. Understanding your audience's pain points is the first step towards creating videos that resonate deeply. Think about your audience. Who are they? What challenges do they face? Tailor your message to fit them perfectly. Start with a strong hook. Ask an intriguing question or present a challenge to spark curiosity instantly. Keeping your videos short and concise ensures viewers remain engaged and don't drift away. Make every second matter. Don't overlook visuals, they add depth to your message. Use vibrant colors and dynamic backgrounds to capture attention. Tell a compelling story instead of just listing features. A well-crafted narrative engages and connects with viewers emotionally. Always include a strong call to action that encourages viewers to take the next step. Drive action, don't just inform.